Okay, here's my Rig Metal sim rig, all nicely boxed up. It came quickly in the mail and seems to be pretty well packaged, so let's get it opened. Here's the box of hardware. It has T-nuts, bolts, and angle brackets, and here are all the rails inside the box. Okay, let's go ahead and get all these rails out of the box, hopefully without slicing my finger off with the X-Acto knife. These are the instructions on the Rig Metal website. And then we pan over to the hardware for the pedal tray. Here's the initial assembly of the pedal tray. And you can see where I have the hardware bolted in. Kind of hard to see with the light here. Very high quality components and a fair amount of adjustability. A lot of these angle brackets have little tabs that slide into the channels uh, on the rails, and sometimes you have to break them off if the tab goes sideways. Here's the first portion of the wheelbase tray. Again, pretty sturdy, and it's got a lot of different mounting points on it for various kinds of wheelbases. Here it is now with the main cross piece bolted in place. Then that's going to be bolted onto the rig itself. Well, actually to the uprights that are connected to the rig. And finally, this is with the adjustment arms on the ends of the cross brace. And you can see with the slotted grooves that there's a nice amount of rotation that you can have for the wheelbase. Here's the wheelbase bolted to the uprights. And here's the wheelbase upright connected to the entire frame. You can see the seat rails at the back there, and up near the front are the cross pieces for the pedal tray. Something a little bit different with my sim rig is I've decided to build a platform that will elevate the sim rig a bit. once I built the frame and then put some plywood on top of it, I used this garage flooring to give a nice surface. These are interlocking 12-inch tiles. And here's some more tiles put in place on the platform. It's going to be ready pretty soon, and you'll see how it came out in part 2 of this video series.